So welcome to the Amazon S3 workshop where I'm going to be representing UT Dallas and my name is Abane Lavu. So let's get started. So here we have our table of contents, which is the theory lesson. So what is S3? Its use cases. So what can you use S3 for? And a practical exercise where we're going to be hosting a static website on S3. As for our theory, so what is S3? Well, it's a highly scalable, durable, and secure object storage service. You can store objects into buckets, which has nearly infinite storage, and you can store files like pictures, documents, and even videos. And you can enable some specific features on a S3 bucket like versioning, encryption, access control, and lifecycle policies so you can manage who can access your bucket and how long objects stay in your bucket. Now moving on to our use cases, we have data backup and archiving, where S3 is often used as a reliable and cost-effective solution for backing up and archiving data. Its durability and scalability make it suitable for long-term storage of backups, archives, and data snapshots. It can also be used for content distribution and delivery because it can be used as a CDN by storing static assets like images and videos, and the content stored in an S3 bucket can be served directly to end users with low latency and high availability using services like CloudFront. You can also use it for data lakes and analytics, and for this workshop, we're going to be using it for web hosting and static website hosting. So S3 can host static websites by serving HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other web assets directly from the S3 buckets. It provides a simple and cost-effective solution for hosting websites with minimal server maintenance. S3 can also be used as a storage backend for cloud-native applications, mobile apps, and IoT devices. It provides a reliable and scalable storage solution for storing application data, user uploads, and application logs. Now let's move over to the AWS console to host a simple static website.
So here we are in the Amazon S3 console where we're going to host our static website. First, we press create bucket to create our bucket. And now we have to specify the region, which is going to be US East 1. We're going to select general purpose for our bucket type. And for our bucket name, it has to be globally unique. So I want to type in S3 demo and a random string of numbers. We're going to specify ACL is disabled. And then we're going to uncheck this box, which is going to allow people to access our website. And we're going to keep all of the settings as default and press create bucket. Now we're going to go to that bucket by typing it in and entering this bucket. So we had to upload our website files, so obviously use the bucket. So we're going to upload some files. And I uploaded my index.html file, which has the code for my website. And now that I just uploaded, I'm going to press close. And now I want to make sure that people can access my bucket by editing my bucket policy. So my bucket policy, I'm going to put in this policy here, which is going to allow people to any principal to get my object. But we need to make sure that this is specific to our bucket ARN. So we're going to put that in here. I'm going to save changes. Then we're going to go to properties, scroll down until we see static website hosting, press edit, and then enable our static hosted website. We're going to have to go through some settings here. We're going to host a static website. I will put in our home page, which is going to be index.html. We're not going to be specifying an error document here. And then we're going to press save changes. Then, once we go down, it'll create a link for us. So pressing this link is going to take us to our website, which is the Hello World application.
And that concludes our workshop. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you again later.